this wig from the melted hairline line. This is a middle part, okay? You are not going to be able to move to the side with pride unless you just don't do a part at all and you just swoop the front over to the side.
But I don't know if you can do it with pride, okay?
So, what y'all know about switch? La 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 la. There was one Bobby getting it. Bobby was from here now. I used to be like, boy, Bobby hitting that dip, ain't he? That's the original. And I dip, you dip, we dip. That's actually where they got that song from. People don't know that. Whoever this model is on this thing is serving all kind of face. Honey, she's serving. She eating it up. So I expect me to look that good with this wig on. Now, can you promise me that, Outre? Huh? Can you promise me that? Oh. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
But to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Hey cousins, hi. How are you? How you doing? Okay. I hope you guys are doing well today. I really, really do. I'm bringing you a wig. A nice cost-efficient wig. Ooh. Let's look at this, you guys. I'm bringing you this wig from the melted hairline line. And this is Miss Vanya. Vanya. And I have Vanya in ginger brown. Vanya is 18 inches. And let me tell you something. Vanya is looking like it's a middle part with baby hair included. I don't know if we're going to use it or not. But they got to give us a little baby hair. Pre-attached wide elastic band. And whoever this model is on this thing is serving all kind of face. Honey, she's serving. She's serving. She eating it up. She eating it up. So I expect me to look that good with this wig on. Now, can you promise me that, Outre? Huh? Can you promise me that? Let's look at this tag again. This is Miss Vanya. Vanya, 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 Vanya. This color, y'all, this is like gonna be my go-to color when it come to Outre, handy. That ginger brown be
That ginger brown be sticking around, don't it?
Honey, one thing Outre is gonna do is package these wigs, ain't they? Honey, these wigs will be packaged. Little paper covers over the combs. Now that's nice. That's called detail. A lot of these companies don't know nothing about detail. Here's what the inside of the cap is looking like. We have 2 combs off to the side with pride, 1 comb off in the bike. We have the adjustable strap, and we have their wide elastic. Now it is wide. This elastic is not if you don't want it on there, you're gonna have to cut it off. It's like a one size fits all. It is not adjustable, so it's either gonna work for you or it's not. That's the only thing about these. It's cool to have it, like especially if you want a glueless install, but you know what I'm saying, it's only cool if it works for your domology. So you feel me? It just depends on how you coming with it off up in the dome area. Okay? So it might work, it might not. Don't get too excited unless you already know what time it is because you wear so many of these wigs from the melted hairline. Ladies and gents, this is a middle part, okay? You are not going to be able to move to the side with pride unless you just don't do a part at all and you just swoop the front over to the side.
But I don't know if you can do it with pride, okay?
There's 5 inches of parting space right there. 4 is standard, so they're giving you another inch. You feel me? It's longer than what is the standard. So that's that. I think those are all the specs. This texture is so nice. It's so natural, you guys. I don't know if I should comb out these curls or not, but baby, I feel like Vanya is finna call my name. I do. Hold on. Let me throw it on real quick before I get into it. I feel like Vanya's finna call my name. I call your name, girl, and it eases the pain and takes away the stress. What y'all know about switch? La 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 la. There was one Bobby getting it. Bobby was from here now. I used to be like, boy, Bobby hitting that dip, ain't he? That's the original. And I dip, you dip, we dip. That's actually where they got that song from. People don't know that. Oh, this lace is lacing. Do I even have to tint this lace? Now, I am going to be plucking that part and getting that part together. I am going to get that part together, okay? I don't know. Let me get this together. I'm probably going to put a little heat to the top of that. But I feel like I'm about to look like designer women with this wig. I feel like I'm about to look super sophisticated. Do y'all feel like that? Are y'all seeing it? Huh? We're going to have to just put a little bit of time, just a tad bit of effort into this wig. We got to get this part together and get these humps from up out of there. Huh? Those humps gotta go. Okay? They gotta go. That's not what thus saith the Lord. God didn't call for that for our wigs. He really didn't. He really didn't. So let's not play with it. Don't play with E. Don't play with E. Ain't that what she said? Huh? She was talking about this wig. People don't know. Y'all really need to get up on y'all music history. People don't know that. Don't play with it. Look, bam. Get that pressed down and run it over like your blessings. That's how it's supposed to. It's set up like that. But y'all, this texture is so nice. Frontal effect hairline. No plucking required. You see that? Bam. Look. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, frontal effect. Chad, calm down, Mary. Calm down. You got to relax, kid. Ooh. So I'm giving you the effect of it, okay? Yeah, we gonna brush. Oh, you will not be in my eye. So yeah, I'm okay. I have an idea of what I'm gonna do with this. Are y'all getting the idea how it's gonna come with it? Are y'all getting the slightest idea of how it's gonna come with it? This is my color, honey. So we gonna go ahead and put in just a teeny weeny little bit of work, but for this price, we could put in this time. We not above it. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. We about to go style this. Hold on a minute.